Are you in for a penny or in for a pound, 3 pounds, when it comes to supersizing and growing your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today, our money-related idiom for the month of November is in for a penny, in for a pound. Now, this is one of those idioms that's been around since the late 1600s. It actually appeared in English in Thomas Ravenscroft's Canterbury Guest was the name of the piece of work that he wrote. And it basically means that once we're involved in something, we must not stop at just doing half measures. It came from jolly old England, of course, from the British English, and the saying was translated or brought to the Americas, but it didn't ever go into the different form of currency, you know, in for a penny, in for a dollar, in for a penny, in for a pound. I think the alliteration of the P's makes pound and penny go better together, thus it's stuck, and it just stayed in for a penny, in for a pound. But it basically means, how committed are you to something that you say you're going to do? When you make a decision, when you make a choice, how committed are you to it? Are you just going to try it out a little bit, or are you all in? On a scale of 1 to 10, my question for you today, and it changes over time for each and every one of us, but on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being, oh, I'm just kind of in it for whatever, to 10 being, hey, I am all in, I'm going to make this business work no matter what. Where are you currently today on your journey, excuse me, to supersize and grow your business? Still battling a cold. Excuse me. So, if I were actually 100% honest right now, in terms of the business, and I'm always building more than one business, but let's say the primary business that I am currently building, as far as being all in, I would say I'm only at about a 7 today. On this current day, November 13th, 2021. Probably because I have a cold. Excuse me. Probably if you asked me another day when I wasn't feeling into the weather, I'd be at a 9 or an 8 or a 9.5. But today, being Saturday, coughing my head off and feeling into the weather, hey, I'm only at a 7. I'm only going to put as much effort as I can into working on and building my business today, given that there's other circumstances, other things going on in my life. Now, there are times in my life when I have been, 10 plus, giving my business and my life and what I'm trying to create in terms of supersizing and growing my business, my absolute positive all and anything else I can muster. But again, that ebbs and flows based on our priorities, based on our decisions, based on our choices, based on our commitments. So just curious, if you're brave, share in the comments below, on a scale of 1 to 10, where do you think you're at right now today with respect to supersizing and growing your business? Me, today I'm at a 7. Hopefully I'll be at an 8 or a 9 tomorrow when I'm not coughing so much. But that just goes to show us that life impacts our business and our businesses impact our life. All right, in for a penny, in for a pound. Love to know your experience, or if you've even ever heard or used. I've never used this expression. I just say, hey, I'm all in, or I'm committed, or this is as committed as I am, and I'm usually brutally honest up front with how committed I am to any given project that I get involved in. All right, have a great day. I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. I'm going to go cough a little more.